viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be solving this integral problem. So we have integral from pi over 2 to pi of sin²x multiplied by cos raised to the power 3 of x dx. Okay, so we want to solve this problem. Solution. So from our trigonometric identity, sine raised to the power of 2x plus cos raised to the power of 2x. This will give us 1. So I can decide to make sin²x the subject of the formula here. So we are going to have sin²x is equal to 1 minus cos²x. Okay, so instead of us writing sin²x, so we can just write 1 minus cos²x all together. Alright, so let's do that. So we're going to have integral from pi over 2 to pi. So instead of writing sin²x, we write 1 minus cos²x, then multiply by cos raised to the power of 3x, then dx. So we can open the bracket. So if you open the bracket, cos³ multiplied by 1, this will give us integral from pi over 2 to pi. We have cos³x, then minus cos³ multiplied by cos²x will give us cos raised to the power of 5x, then dx. Okay, so we can apply linearity. So if you apply linearity, we are going to have integral from pi over 2 to pi of cos raised to the power of 3x dx, then minus integral from pi over 2 to pi of cos raised to the power of 5x dx. Alright, so we can call this integral, we can call it integral A, and we call this integral B. Alright, so let's solve for integral A. So integral A, which is integral from pi over 2 to pi of cos raised to the power of 3x dx. All right, now so let me remind us the reduction formula. So using the reduction formula, so we know that if you have integral of cos raised to the power of n x dx, so this will be equal to 1 over n multiplied by cos raised to the power of n minus 1 of x, then multiplied by sine x, then plus n minus 1 over n multiplied by integral of cos raised to the power of n minus 2 of x, then dx. Are we together now? So we apply the reduction formula, so we can actually solve this integral right here successfully without any stress. All right, so we can just determine the value of n here, and we can see the value of n is 3. Okay, so we have integral of a is equal to 1 over 3, 1 over n, so that will be 1 over 3, then cos raised to the power of 3 minus 1 of x, then multiply by sine x, then plus 3 minus 1 over 3, multiply by integral of cos raised to the power of 3 minus 2 of x dx. Okay, so this will now be equal to 1 over 3 cos raised to the power of 2x sine x, then plus 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So we have 2 over 3, then integral cos x dx. Okay, so because 3 minus 2 is 1. So and if you integrate cos x, that will give you sine x. So we have a is equal to 1 over 3 cos x sine x, then plus 2 over 3 sine x. So we can apply the limit from pi over 2 to pi. All right, so this will be equal to 1 over 3. So we apply pi, so cos pi will give us 1, but sin pi will give us 0, and sin pi here will give us 0. So definitely for pi we are going to get 0, then minus, so we input pi over 2, cos pi over 2 will give us 0, sin pi over 2 will give us 1, so definitely this will give us 0. 0 times 1 will give us 0. Then here sin pi over 2 will give us 1, so we have 2 over 3 multiplied by 1, and this will give us minus 2 over 3. Okay, so that's the value of a. So we have integral of a, which is minus 2 over 3. All right guys, so let's solve integral b. Okay, so solving integral b, which is b is equal to integral from pi over 2 to pi of cos raised to the power of 5x dx. All right, so using the reduction formula also, So we are going to have, the value of n here will be 5. So you have 1 over 5 cos raised to the power of 5 minus 1 x sine x, then plus 5 minus 1 over 5, then integral cos raised to the power of 5 minus 2x dx. Okay, so b will be equal to 1 over 5 cos raised to the power of 4x sine x. So we can apply the limit from pi over 2 to pi, then plus 4 over 5. We can integral cos raised to the power of 3x dx. If you apply the limit pi over 2 to pi, don't forget pi over 2 to pi. What do you notice? We can see that this integral right here is integral a. Okay, so b will be equal to 1 over 5. So if you apply pi, cos pi we say is 1, and then sin pi is 0, so definitely that will give us 0. Then minus, if you apply pi over 2, that will be 1 over 5 into brackets. Cos pi over 2 is 0, and sin pi is 1, so 0 times 1 will give us 0. So plus 4 over 5. So we know that integral a is, let's check what we got in integral a. We got minus 2 over 5 in integral a. So this will be equal to, so we have minus 2 over 5. Okay, so 4 multiplied by minus 8 will give us, 4 multiplied by minus 2 will give us minus 8. And then 5 multiplied by 3. So is that, yeah, 5 multiplied by 3 will give us 15. So b is minus 8 over 15. And remember that the integral is I equals a minus b. So a, which is minus 2 over 3, then minus b, which is minus 8 over 15. Minus 8 over 15. So minus times minus will give us plus. So this will be equal to minus 2 over 3, then plus 8 over 15. Okay, so this will give us minus 2 over 15, and that will be the answer to that integral. Okay, so if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.